Hey everyone, Joe Anderson here, President of Pure Financial Advisors. Want to welcome you to our August newsletter featuring current topics, company profiles, and retirement tips. This month we have Big Al Clopine. He's going to talk to us about taxes and how it can affect our overall returns in retirement. Next, we want you to meet the key players that make all the difference in the world here at Pure. This month we have Jay Ringgold. He's our Director of IT. The white paper this month is our tax planning guide, which reveals the many potential ways to save money in taxes. And at Pure, of course, we're always about education, offering advanced classes and workshops right through Zoom. This month, I'm teaming up with Big Al for a webinar on August 12th. Just click on the link below, find out this month's schedule and how to sign up. You can always watch our TV show as well, Your Money, Your Wealth, on YouTube or listen to our podcast on the go. I think you'll find them both very entertaining and informative. Finally, we offer a free financial assessment. It's a no-cost, no-obligation sit-down with a certified financial planner. We're a $3.5 billion registered investment advisor that charges no commissions, and no, we don't sell any products. It's 100% fiduciary advice. We're here to help you accomplish your retirement goals. That's the Pure difference.